Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session I will share with you again new project where we are going to observe office employee behavior. So before we move to our practical friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today I will share with you again new project where we are going to observe the office employee behavior. For that, I have created a project folder. You will get the project folder link. You have to purchase. It is only for $1, and for India it is only for, let's just say, 85 rupees or 87 rupees. Okay, so you have to buy the project folder. I will mention the link inside description box. So office employee behavior main zip, this is the code. Right click it and then click on extract all, and then just click on extract. It will extract our project folder office employee behavior. Go inside the folder, again we have same folder. Now let me show you first the video file. So as you can see, this is basically the video file. This is the idea, this is the project idea, how we are going to work all these things. So this person is working. So we will create a class normal, or let's just say this one is suspicious, or let's just say this girl or this woman is basically sleeping. Simple. So this is the whole concept. This is basically our video file. Sleeping and all other employees are working. So all other employees behavior is basically the normal, as simple as. So for that we will use pose estimation and object detection. So we will categorize the video in two different formats. We will categorize the video first as a normal behavior and then as a suspicious behavior. So let's just first create two different video file, normal and suspicious. So for that I have created tksoft.py. This is the Tkinter software. So let's just open tksoft.py. This is the Sony Python IDE. You have to simply search for Sony Python IDE inside the web browser, download the software and install it. It is really easy to install Sony Python IDE. So I have already done with Sony Python IDE. I have opened the tksoft.py inside Sony Python IDE. So for that, for this code we need a packages. So go to the tools, manage packages and search for OpenCV-Python, and then the first package. Then we have to simply click on install button. Done. It will install OpenCV-Python. Then we need here Ultralytics package. So we will search for Ultralytics package. First package, click on install button. That's it. It will install Ultralytics. If there is an upgrade, just upgrade it. And then I think we have done. There is no need other packages. We need PIL. PIL is basically the pillow. So let's just say pillow. As you can see, the pillow package. Click on install, or let's just say here we have upgrade. So I will simply upgrade the package. So this is how we need OpenCV-Python. We need Ultralytics package, and then we need pillow package. So as you can see right now, the pillow package is basically upgrading. So we have done with pillow package upgradation process. So simply we install all the packages. Now friends, here we want to install a particularly NumPy version. So inside project folder I have created important.txt file, and we want NumPy this version 1.24.4. we want this version. So go to the tools, open system shell. It will open a system shell for Sony Python IDE, and from important.txt file just copy this command, pip install NumPy and the particular version which I have mentioned. Just paste it and then hit enter. It will install this particular version on Sony Python IDE. Simple. So which I have already installed it, as you can see, which I have already installed. Now simply here it is, you can see the message, basically requirement is already satisfied. Done. So we have done with package installation. Now as I mentioned, we will create two video files, normal and suspicious. So first we will create normal behavior. So when I say we want to create a normal behavior, so what we will do, we will blur suspicious behavior. So in this particular video scenario, we will blur the woman who is basically sleeping and others are working. So we will blur the woman who is sleeping because we have the tracker, so it will assign the unique ID for each person. So let me start the code. It will start our Tkinter software. First, of course, it will download YOLOv11s.pt model. So we downloaded model and our software is ready. Click on start button. It will start our video file, and we want to just pause the video file. Just start it and the pause because we want to blur the action. So as I mentioned, this is the normal behavior video. So in normal behavior, we want to blur this particular person. So this person, we have ID 2, as you can see, ID 2. So we want to blur this person, so we will select the ID 2. Just select it, just click on it. You will see there is a check mark. So select it and then click on start blurring, click on OK, and then click on resume. Now you will see this is the normal video and this is what the detected video object detection. Now you can see this person is blurred because this is the normal video file. So we don't want this particular action, which is the sleeping or let's just say suspicious. And let me pause here a video, and here you can see all others IDs are basically assigned for the normal behavior. That's why we have to only check mark with the suspicious behavior for creating normal behavior video file. So let me resume. Now we will wait till our video file completely over, and here inside shell you will get basically idea. Inside shell you will see this messages, we can say it's continuously going, means our video file is running, still running. When this message is over, we can say the video file is over. Or here also you can clearly see that video file is slowly moving means still video file is running. So let's just wait. So as I mentioned, now video file is over, and as you can see that these messages, the shell messages is not going up. It means video file is perfectly over. Now we can simply click on quit, close the software, and now if you open our project folder, there will be output blur.mp4. So for checking this video file, we need a VLC media player. Download the VLC media player, right click it and open with VLC media player. Now here you will see this is what our normal behavior video file. Why? Because this woman is blur, which is sleeping. So this is the suspicious behavior and other activities are basically normal. So this is the normal behavior video file. So we will rename as a normal. Done. So we created normal behavior video file. Now we need suspicious. So run the code. Again it will start our software. Click on start, click on pause. Now as I mentioned, for suspicious behavior we want to blur all normal behavior IDs. So for suspicious behavior we have ID 2, so we will not check ID 2, other IDs we will check and then blur. So ID 1, ID 3, ID 4, ID 5, ID 6. Let's just say when we start the blurring process, if the ID change, you will see here the ID increases. Just select it the ID, no matter the video is running. Okay, so id2, which is the suspicious behavior, which we not select because we want this as a suspicious behavior video file. Start blurring, click on OK, and then just resume it. Now as you can see, all normal behavior activities are blur, only suspicious activities are going. And here, as I mentioned, I have paused the video file. Here it is, as you can see, the id which is increased, because this is by default model, so it will change the person detection as per the behavior. So now these two IDs increases, simple, no problem, just select it, no matter the video is running. As you can see, id 27 increase, just select it, it will blur over here, it will blur, no matter id increase, you have to just select it, it will automatically blur. Now as you can see, id 29, just select it, blur. We only want, now here id 35, as I mentioned, we only want suspicious behavior, we don't need here normal behavior, because this is a normal, because this is a suspicious behavior video file. id 43, so when the video file will over, here inside shell the messages will stop and we can simply quit the video. So as you can see, the messages stop, quit, close it, or let's just, if let's just say if not closing from here, we can simply click on, let me close like here. If the software is not closing, we can simply click on stop, it will just stop the code, no matter what is the error or anything, simple. So we have our video file ready, we have suspicious behavior, right click, and then we will simply open with our VLC media player. And as you can see, as I mentioned, all normal behavior blur, only suspicious behavior is there, all other IDs are blur, only suspicious behavior. So this is what my suspicious behavior video file. So right click it, rename, mention SUSP, suspicious, SUSP. So we have normal and we have suspicious behavior video file. So we have done with creating video files. Now we need images. So first we will create normal behavior images. So for that we have normal.py. So open normal.py with the help of Sony Python IDE. So we will download 11 pose.pt model, YOLO11 pose.pt model, and it will check, it will get all the points from the normal behavior, and it will create the CSV file, and inside that CSV file we will save all those points. So it will automatically create images and images one folder. Inside that it will save the full frame images in images folder, and in images one folder it will save all the crop images. Then at the end it will create basically keypoint.csv file automatically. There is no need to do anything, you have to simply mention only the video file name. So right now the video file name is basically normal.mp4. Now let's just run the code. It will first download the YOLO11 pose.pt model, and then it will start creating the images from our normal folder. So now the process is started. If I open the folder, as you can see inside our project folder, now there is images 1 and images folder, images and images 1 folder. So if you open images folder, as you can see there is images which this normal.py creating. So it will take some time, let's just wait. So friends, we completed our process. Here it is, you will see the message total crop images is 1208, means we have normal behavior images 0 to 1208. 0 to 1208 is basically normal behavior images. Now we need suspicious behavior. So for that, file, open, from project folder we will open suspicious.py, open it, and now here all the settings are set. Now we want to simply mention first our video file name. So what is the video file name? I think SUSP, office employee, our project folder, and video file SUSP. Yes, SUSP. Now friends, here A is equal to, we have to mention the number of images where we want to start as a suspicious, because we will save the suspicious images also in same folder. So we want to mention the number. So 0 to 1208, 0 to 1208 is normal behavior images. So if I want to save suspicious behavior images in same folder, so what is the start number? 1209 is the start number for the suspicious behavior images. So 1209 to n number of images is basically suspicious. So for that A is equal to, I have mentioned here 1209. 1209, because when we completed normal.py, we get the message 1208 is the normal images, 0 to 1208. So from suspicious.py we have to mention A is equal to 1209. So now it will save the images 1209 to n number of suspicious. So let's just run the code and we will wait. So friends, we completed our suspicious.py process also. When the process completed, you will see the message inside shell. As you can see, the point save inside nkeypoint.csv file. So we have now all the crop images inside images 1 for suspicious behavior and for normal behavior. Now we want to shuffle all those images. So go to the file, click on open, go inside project folder, and we have here img shuffle.py. So it will take images 1 folder. Inside that we have suspicious and normal behavior images, and it will create the dataset part folder. Inside that it will create normal behavior images and suspicious behavior images. Simple. And it will shuffle all those images from images 1. It will shuffle it, and normal behavior images it will put inside normal folder, and suspicious it will put inside suspicious. So for that we want to mention the number. We have our number. So here 0 to 02, if you open suspicious.py, we mention the number 1209. It means, as I mentioned, 0 to 1208 is normal behavior images, and 1209 to n number of images is suspicious. So if I want to shuffle the images, so here I want to mention 0 to 1208 as a normal images, and from next it will move inside suspicious. So 0 to 1208 normal behavior images, it will move inside normal folder, and 1209 to n number of images it will move inside suspicious. Run the code. As you can see, the process is going on. Done. So if you open now our project folder, downloads, and office employee behavior main, there is a dataset path folder. As you can see, there is a dataset path. Inside that we have normal folder. So this is all normal behavior images. As you can see, this is all normal behavior images we have here. All normal crop person images, normal behavior. And then if you go inside suspicious, as you can see, this is one woman which is basically sleeping. So this is basically suspicious crop image. Done. Now we have images, all the things are ready. Now we want to create dataset.csv file. So file, open, and dataset.py. Just click on open it. Here I have already mentioned the nkeypoint.csv file and dataset path suspicious normal. It will automatically search all these files folders, and it will create dataset.path file. Sorry, not dataset path, dataset.csv file where we have all the points. So let's just run the code. Done. Dataset.csv file which we save inside our dataset path folder here, dataset.csv. Now we will create our model. So file, open, and then the model.py, open it, and let's just run the code. I have already mentioned all these things. It will automatically check all the folders files and it will generate the model, and the model name will be train model.json. So run the code. Our model is ready. As you can see, train model.json. This is what our model, and our model is saved inside. This is what our dataset part folder. Go back, and as you can see, this is the model. Now we will check our model. So we will open our main.py where we mention our pose.pt model, our train model, and our video file, which is the test.mp4. Now let's just run the code. It will download our model YOLO11s.pose.pt. If it is not downloaded, it will download it. Otherwise, as you can see, this person is sleeping. There is a red color rectangle, and other behavior is basically the normal, sleeping, normal. That's it. So this is how, friends, with the help of this software, you can detect any suspicious behavior or any normal behavior as per your requirement. I have mentioned the full code inside the project folder along with the model also. So you can create your model watching this video, else I have mentioned the model also inside project folder. I hope you learned something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.